you guys to Honolulu Festival, which is always happen around March, and today is March 10. I think every year is around this time. Honolulu Festival is a festival we're celebrating all different cultures happens in Hawaii, and so we have some shows, bone dancing, food events happening in the convention center, and this evening I'm gonna take you guys to a parade which happens in Waikiki, the center of Oahu, the center of Honolulu. And I'm super excited. At the end of this event, we're also gonna have the biggest fireworks. So why don't we get going? Let's go! A whole family over here. Like this guy even bought his kids. So colorful. American.
Association of
Late results are even.
already full. It's about time. Everybody already secured their place, and it's gonna take off right over here. It's a really long one. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's stream and video, and I will see you guys next time. How did you guys like the festival today? I really enjoyed it. Which one is your favorite part of this event? Okay, I will go first. I think mine is the last part of the dragon with the fireworks. I think that's my favorite part. And then the lantern is also very impressive, right? Like they were holding the stick on the butt, and it was like, what? This guy can put on his butt and he can move. That was pretty funny and impressive at the same time. I think it's one of the best events with all the Asian culture come together, and also military as well. Don't forget about the Navy. Also have a giant base in Honolulu. Yeah, I think that's one of the best events in Hawaii, at least on my island, Oahu. So if you guys are planning on visiting Hawaii, check out this Honolulu Festival event, and we'll have a lot of more events in summertime. You guys can also check it out. Yeah, but I enjoyed it. I loved it. And if you guys also like it, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That's the best encouragement for me. Alright, chat. Yay! I will see you guys next time.